Good morning, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. And out here, just 5 minutes past 9 a.m. Got an earlier start than yesterday, so hopefully I'll be able to get a little bit more done today. Gonna do a fire. I'm gonna season my pie irons. I'm gonna make second breakfast. Don't really have a ton of video planned because I shot a bunch of video literally just yesterday. But I wasn't able to do a fire, but today I will be able to do one. But before I can do a fire, I gotta clean all the freaking metal out of the damn fire pit. I mean, honestly, what are people thinking? Looks like they burned up those fabric chairs. I don't understand it. That's wood. That's wood. I don't know what the hell this is from. What the hell are they burning? Well, anyway, let's get, I gotta process a bunch of firewood and get going. I think I got enough fuel here. I spared you the, I'm gonna spare you the processing part because you guys have seen me process wood plenty of times. I don't really need a huge fire. What I want is a good coal base. So I'm going to need a lot of fuel to get my coals, but once I've gotten that, then I can do what I need to do. So, okay, so I know I said I was going to spare you some of the processing, but I wanted to share that yesterday I realized I'd forgotten forgot to grab a saw when I was coming out. So I stopped at Lowe's and I picked up the Fisker's bow saw. $10. So I already cut this piece off and it worked pretty well. Not too shabby, really. Not too bad at all. That'll work. The other half of yesterday's zip fire starter. Not bad for half a zip bar starter. Works pretty well. Might have a little moisture in it. Well, the fire's rolling along. I had a little bit of wood in the back of the car, so I went ahead and just threw it on there. Had a little bit of cedar, and so I went in one by one square wood dowels, I think they're called. I think my parents were doing a project, and they're like, "Here, burn this up." I'm like, "Okay." So I'm probably gonna get a hot drink going here soon, and second breakfast. You know, to be honest, I'm actually a little bit upset with myself. If I'd come out here first yesterday, I easily could have spent the night. It would have been great, little overnighter, little river keep me, a little river going behind me, but I decided to go somewhere else, and it turned out to be a mistake. So, live and learn. 2 days in the woods though, that's not too shabby. And I got an earlier start than yesterday, so I didn't lose a ton of time. I mean, it's only 4 minutes after 10 a.m., so I got plenty of time. Probably go home and edit another video for tomorrow or for the next upload. I'm not sure when now. We'll see. Good stuff. Everything today is just wanted to roll off the top of the fire. This is a sugar-free hot chocolate mix. Since there's already sugar in the coffee, I just bought a tub of it versus the packets. It should be fine. And yes, I know I'm gonna be drinking my my hot chocolate, or my Mocha actually, out of a bowl. And no, I don't mind. I actually did it intentionally. I don't see anything wrong with using a bowl for drinking your beverage out of. second breakfast is going to be Hawk Vittles, my favorite all-time breakfast. This actually expires this month of this year, so I figured I'd eat it. So, we got ourselves a boil. I'm a little nervous about melting this classic tab, so I think I'll go lidless. Cheers. Man, that's a great combo. If you haven't tried it, highly recommended. Hot chocolate and coffee. Delicious. And the fire's hot. Whew. You know what goes great with a bowl of mocha? A cookie. Cowboy cookie. There's this gas station in Black Diamond that sells these, so on my way up I stopped to buy a Monster Energy and I bought basically every one of these I had. I ate one while I drove up here. Never too early for a cookie. Hawk Vittles in there. Stir. Cook for a minute. Alright, now that my second breakfast is done, I get the fire stoked up. Get ready for my pie iron seasoning. ground pepper. I would carry this in the car. Get the idea from Lars.